Dear children, how are you all? Today I am going to share the remarkable story of Hazrat Masooma Qum. It was on the first day of the year 173 AH when a daughter as radiant as a flower graced the city of Medina with her birth. Her father was Imam Kazim and her mother was Lady Najma. Imam Kazim cradled his newborn daughter with affection. He softly recited the azan in her right ear and the aqama in her left, while turning to Lady Najma and saying, "This girl's name is Fatima. What a beautiful name it is! It is the name Allah bestowed upon the daughter of His Messenger." At the tender age of 6, Lady Fatima faced the sorrow of her father's arrest at the hands of his enemies. Harun ordered Imam Kazim to be confined in the prisons of Basra for 1 year and later in Baghdad for 3 more years. Throughout those 4 years, Hazrat Fatima Masooma anxiously yearned for her father's return. Imam Reza visited her every day and night, providing solace during this trying time. Tragically, the news reached her that Imam Kazim had been martyred in the prison of Baghdad on the orders of Harun. Hazrat Fatima Masooma lost her father at the fragile age of 10. She cherished her brother Imam Reza deeply, and after their father's martyrdom, Imam Reza assumed the role of a caring father to her. He bestowed upon her the title of Masooma, and she became known as Fatima Masooma. Lady Masooma gained a wealth of knowledge from her father Imam Kazim and her brother Imam Reza from her early years. The women of Medina frequently sought her guidance and wisdom. In 201 AH, Ma'mun issued orders to bring Imam Reza from Medina to Khurasan, leaving everyone heartbroken. Lady Fatima Masooma was devastated, watching her beloved brother depart just a year after their father's passing. Unable to bear the separation, one day she resolved to visit her brother. She assembled a caravan of her brother's nephews and relatives and left Medina. However, she became sick during the journey and she inquired about the distance to Qum. Upon learning that it was approximately 70 kilometers away, she determined, "Take me to Qum. I have heard from my father that Qum is the city of our friends and lovers." Hazrat Masooma arrived in Qum on the 23rd of Rabiul Awwal, and news of her arrival quickly spread throughout the city. The people of Qum were so happy and came to the city gate to extend their warm welcome. Musa ibn Khazraj, a lover of the Ahlulbayt, hastened to Lady Masooma's caravan, taking the reins of her mount and guiding her and her companions to his home. Lady Masooma found shelter in the house of Musa ibn Khazraj for 17 days. As each day passed, her condition worsened. Then, one fateful day, her heart ceased its beating and her eyes gently closed. The entire nation mourned her profound loss. Lady Fatima Masooma, in the bloom of her youth, departed this world without the chance to reunite with her beloved brother. Today, a beautiful shrine in Qum stands in her honor, attracting people from all corners of the globe who come to pay their respects.